a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I personally love to use a capsule wardrobe. I also have pared down my capsule wardrobe to even smaller pieces. And there's 3 questions that I encourage my clients to always think about throughout the day to help them to continually hone their wardrobe. And these 3 questions are so simple and easy. And number 1 is, do you love the garment? You should. If it's hanging in your closet, you should love it. Number 2, does it fit today? And number 3 is, have I worn it this season? Now, if you haven't done this work and pared it down for the season, you may be able to say, have I worn it in the last year? Now, if you haven't worn it, why not? And that's where you just have to be really curious, really honest, and really just open. Like, why am I not wearing this? There must be a reason. So to hold myself accountable to these 3 questions, today I forced myself to wear this skirt that has been hanging in my summer season all season, and I haven't really worn it a whole lot. So usually when that happens, I get real with myself and I say, Heidi, if you don't wear it, you're going to have to get rid of it. So let's do something about it. So I wore it today. There are 3 other questions that I love to use myself, and I encourage you to do it too at the end of the day. And this is just going to help inform you on the choices that you need to make going forward. Question number 1, what worked about the outfit that I wore today, that you wore today, that you chose? See, I personally believe every woman deserves to love her clothes, her body, her closet, her wardrobe. So what did you love about what you wore today? That's the question. So for me, I love this little ruffle. I absolutely adore it. And because there's a ruffle, I don't feel like I have to wear a necklace. So it really simplifies getting dressed. I love this skirt. It is homemade. It was made by a friend and it's fantastic. It's cotton. It's wonderful. I also wore my little blue flip-flops. So it was a great summer, fall look. It was really warm today, probably 90 degrees. Question number 2 is, what didn't work? And that question is just just noticing. So what didn't work? 2 things. Number 1, my bra strap was twisted and that drove me nuts all day. And I really just didn't have time to fix it. And that's crazy. So, be intentional when you get dressed, Heidi Gammill. No, and the other thing here is this skirt is a little tight right now. Oh, there's 2 other things. It's a little tight right now, so I didn't zip it up all the way. So I don't want to tell you all my secrets, but I was thinking today about it. Not because it was causing me to be uncomfortable, but just because I was thinking, do I want to tell you on my video? Yes or no? So I did. And the other thing is I didn't iron my belt, so it's a little crinkly and that drives me nuts. And then the third thing is, how can I make it better? How can I make it better? I can iron my belt and lose another 3 pounds. That would do it. So at the end of asking those 3 questions, it just gives you information. I know I have a running list of items I need to purchase, items that need to be fixed, and then just by doing this work, I have gotten rid of a lot of clothes that are just not working for me. I hope this inspires you to ask yourself, it's really 6 questions every day. 6 questions. Do I love it? Does it fit? Have I worn it this season? What's working? What's not working? How can we make it better? I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.